In this video, I'm going to talk to you about natural resources depletion. Resource depletion is the consumption of a resource faster than it can be replenished. Natural resources are commonly divided between renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Use of either of these forms of resources beyond their rate of replacement is considered to be resource depletion. Depletion can be seen in minerals. Minerals are needed to provide food, clothing, and housing. A United States Geological Survey study found a significant long-term trend over the 20th century for non-renewable resources, such as minerals, to supply a greater proportion of the raw materials inputs to the non-food sector of the economy. Minerals projected by some to enter production decline during the next 20 years are gasoline, copper, zinc, aluminum, coal, and iron. Deforestation. Deforestation is the clearing of forests by cutting or burning of trees and plants in a forested area. As a result of deforestation, presently about one-half of the forests that once covered Earth have been destroyed. Causes. One of the main causes of deforestation is clearing forests for agricultural reasons. As the population of developing areas, especially near rainforests, increases, the need for land for farming becomes more and more important. Controlling deforestation. The United Nations and the World Bank created problems such as reducing emissions from deforestation and forest degradation, which works especially with developing countries to use subsidies or other incentives to encourage citizens to use their forests in a more sustainable way. Water. Water is an essential resource needed to survive everyday life. Historically, water has had a profound influence on a nation's prosperity and success around the world. Groundwater is water that is in saturated zones underground. The open surface of the saturated zone is called the water table. Groundwater is held in the pores and fractures of underground materials like sand, gravel, and other rock. These rock materials are called aquifers. Groundwater can either flow naturally out of rock materials or can be pumped out. Groundwater supplies wells and aquifers for private, agricultural, and public use, and is used by more than a third of the world's population every day for their drinking water. Thank you for watching.